Hi friends, welcome to SSV Technologies. So in today's videos, we are going to discuss about what are the HTML basic tags we are going to use. So in previous session, we discussed what is HTML and what are the softwares we have to install and what is HTML tags, HTML elements and HTML attributes. Also, we discussed how to start our first HTML program and how to get the output in a web page. All these things we discussed in our previous session. If anyone missed that video, please go through with that before moving to this. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss about what is heading tags, paragraph tags, how to give horizontal ruler, line breaks, also how to give spaces in our web page. Also we will discuss how to give color coding. What are the different ways to give the colors for your background or anything. Okay, let's move on to next level. What is heading tags? Generally heading tags are used to give any headings in your web page. So these heading tags are from H1 to H6, depends upon your level. I mean, at what level you are giving, based on that, whatever you want, you can use from H1 to H6. And in these HTML tags, in these HTML heading tags, if you want, you can customize, like H1 heading should be displayed in different color combination or different background, or all these things. If you want, you can do using the CSS styles. Okay, but each one is having their own set of properties, like heading 1 should be displayed this size of font, or H6 should display in this font, like that. All these setup is there, but if you want, you can customize all these things. Then next one is paragraph tag. What is the use of paragraph? If I want to create a separate paragraph in my web page, then p tag is going to be used. So a paragraph is always starts with a new line. So whatever p tag inside you are giving, that content is going to display in a new line. And browser automatically adds some white space before and after the paragraph. And if you want, you can customize that. How much you want and all, you can customize that. And with HTML, you cannot change and display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. Obviously, in paragraph between, if you are giving extra space, all those extra spaces will be treated as single space. In paragraph middle, if you are giving some extra lines, all that extra lines will be treated as a single line. And browser will automatically remove extra spaces and lines when the page is going to be displayed. And how to write a paragraph tag, HTML paragraph tag? It is going to start with p tag, and whatever content you want to give it, and /p is going to be end. Okay, in this paragraph, one common attribute is align attribute, which is going to align your paragraph. Let's see how to use this headings and paragraphs. So let's start our second application. Go to file, new file. Once you create a new file, save this so that you will get intelligent support. Demo.html. So already I had typed my program. So save this file. See, you can see headings of different sizes. Okay, each one is having different sizes, different styles and all. But if you want, you can customize all those things. We will see that in our upcoming CSS sessions. So these headings are there. It depends upon our requirement, at what level, I mean, what heading and which place you want, you can set. And next, paragraphs. If you want to set paragraph, so after this H1 p tag, and I'm giving one paragraph, and one more p tag, I'm creating some more content. Let's see how it is going to display. Always, whatever you are doing, after doing that, save. Then see, It is showing in two paras. And if you observe here, one paragraph and another paragraph between, some space you are getting. Above and below, both you are getting some space, right? By default, paragraph alignment is left aligned. But if you want to set the alignment, yes, you can set that alignment also. So here in this p tag, style equal to align right. Okay, I'm going to give the alignment. See, this is right aligned. And if you want center aligned, all these options are there in this. Suppose here I'm going to align this, align equal to center. This is going to align in center. Okay, so paragraphs and all, how you want to align, either left alignment, right alignment, or justify alignment, all these alignments you can set. So when you are adding these paragraphs, these spaces and all you will get. And let me add some more spaces here in between this style and language. I'm going to add more spaces here. So file, save. See, are you getting any space? Style sheet between, I'm giving some space, right? After style sheet, are you getting some space here? No. So how to get some styles, how to get some spaces and all these things? You can get some spaces and all by using, if you want line break, then BR tag is going to use. And if you want to use some horizontal ruler bar, then these horizontal ruler bars are going to be used. And also, if you want some spaces in between some words, then nbsp you have to give. Let's see how to use those things. So first, if you want some line gap, so here HR, you will get some line. Put here BR, you will get some line break. And when you are giving some in between this, if you are giving some space also, you won't get space. If you want to get some space, you have to give @nbsp. You have to give nbsp. Let's see how it is going to display. See, what are the things I designed? First, after this HR I had given. HR means, see, here you are getting one line, horizontal line you are getting, right? And next here, sample heading 2 and heading 3 between one line gap I had given. This is heading 2 and 3. Is there any line gap you are getting? No. Some common line gap is there, but you are not getting any special line gap. Whereas if you had given BR, then see, you are getting some line gap. So even when you are writing your HTML, when you are creating your HTML, even if you are adding some spaces and all, you won't get that spaces here. You won't get that spaces here. Okay, if you want to get some extra space, then you have to give BR. And here sample space heading I had given, but am I getting any space here? No. See, you are not getting any space here. If you want some extra space in between words, then you have to use this @nbsp. Then see, here you are getting some space. If you want more gap, you can use like this. See, you are getting some space extra. So if you want space between words, you have to use nbsp. If you want line gap between two lines, then BR/. If you want a horizontal line, then HR. And the horizontal line you can give width also. HR style equal to width colon 50%. See, if you observe one horizontal line you are getting here, that horizontal line you are getting middle, exact 50% you are getting. See, that 50% only you will get. So if you want the horizontal line should be display only half of the horizontal line you want to display, then you have to give extra attribute called width. So that in middle only you will get. And paragraphs, if you want different alignment, align equal to left, right, center, justified, all these things you can specify. Okay, also line gap and all, if you want, then you have to use BR, and word between space you want, you have to use nbsp. And last and final, how to give colors. If I want to define my colors, then how I'm going to define the colors? I can define the color combinations by using the color name, or by using hexadecimal code, or by using color decimal code. Okay, so if I want to give color, then simply color name you can specify. Whatever color name you want, that color name you can specify. Or if you know hexadecimal code, then you can give like this, hexadecimal code. Or you want to give by color decimals, you can specify like this. You want RGB color combination, and red percent how much, green percent how much, and this blue percent how much. All these RGB color combinations you can give. Let's see how to work with that. So let's stack one more paragraph here. And this H1, this is okay. Here I want to give style equal to color colon. What's the color? See, all the colors it is showing here. If you want, you can give the color directly here. Whatever color you want, that color name you can give directly. No, ma'am, I don't want to give color. I want to give that in hexadecimal means style equal to color colon hash. I can give in hexadecimal. I can give that color code in hexadecimal like this. Or else you don't want to give this in hexadecimal also means, then there is one more way. See, you can see that color combination here. And if you want, you can change that color also. Whatever color shade you want, then automatically you are changing that color combination here. And what is the other one? The other one is RGB of you can give that color combination here like this. So there are different ways where you can give that color combinations and all. So here also, if you want, you can change. When you are changing this, see, color automatically we are adjusting. See, that colors combination you are getting here. So always when you are working with Visual Studio Code or Visual Basic, before starting your program, first save, so that all this intelligent support you will get. Okay, let's save this program and see. See, down you are getting all the color combinations. Whatever colors you had given here, see, first paragraph is blue, and second paragraph is green shade, and the third paragraph is pink shade. All these things you are getting, right? So whatever way is easy for you, you can follow. All these are the three different ways where you can apply these color combinations. Okay, that's all in this video, and for more other tutorials and all, please reach out to us. Thank you.